Hi, I'm Suzette Kitselman with Rodeo Realty in Beverly Hills, and welcome to Suzette Sells LA. Today, I'm just going to give you a little rundown of my background. It's a little bit long, so I'm going to speed through it. When I was 19, I started as an assistant in a mortgage office and became a mortgage underwriter within a couple of months. They trained me there, and I was underwriting mortgage loans back when the interest rate was 18%. Do you know how long ago that was? It was a long time ago. Anyway, people were still buying houses. And when I was 23, I got my real estate license. And back then, the first thing they taught you is that it's a public service and that I'm a fiduciary licensed by the state. And I take that seriously. My job is to help you do what you want. It's not to push people around. I know it's a little different nowadays. Anyway, when I was 25, I bought a motel in Lake Tahoe. I drove the snowplow myself in the parking lot in the wintertime with my black Labrador in the back seat, Dr. Watson, barking away the whole time. This way the skiers could come in and rent my rooms and ski all winter long. After a year of that, I said, enough. I sold the motel and I moved to San Francisco. What a great city. I put myself into a real estate office there, hung my license in a real estate office, and I called 100 people a day and said, do you want to sell? And by the end of the second month in that company, I was a top lister in all 17 offices, top listing agent in all 17 offices of Mason McDuffie Real Estate. I started buying and restoring Victorian houses and apartment buildings in San Francisco. I fell in love with the Victorians. And I apprenticed with a real estate appraiser because I wanted to learn more about real estate appraisal and property value. I apprenticed with him for a couple of years, and then I opened my own company, the Kitselman Company Real Estate Appraisal Bureau. It grew to be the largest real estate appraisal company in the Bay Area of San Francisco, all 5 counties, and I was on the top 5 approved appraisers list of every bank in the region. So that was pretty cool. After 10 years, I was bored with that. I sold my company to my employees and became a mortgage broker with Interbay Financial. I wanted to learn all about the financing, and then I bought a big apartment building. It was built in 1883. It was absolutely gorgeous, a big old Victorian in San Francisco, and I retired at 41, or so I thought. When you retire, if you've got an apartment building, you're not retired at all. I hired the contractors, I managed tenants, I designed kitchen remodels, I supervised the construction. I still have my Makita power drill, and I even patched a roof in a rainstorm with a spatula because my Irish contractor, Kieran Keeney, told me to patch the roof just like I was making a peanut butter sandwich, and that's exactly what I did, and it worked. But I didn't do it with peanut butter, I did it with tar. Anyway, in 2001, I sold my 2 apartment buildings that I had in San Francisco. I bought triple net commercial properties in the Midwest, doubling my income. And then I traded those into large shopping centers in 2 other Midwestern states. And that was the wrong time to do that because that's when the recession hit. And pow, all my shop owners were losing their homes and people were going out of business because people were not shopping. I'm sure you remember it. Everybody lost something. And I lost the shopping centers. But I'm still standing and I can still walk and talk and do my job. So I went back to work selling real estate in Los Angeles in 2010. And that year I sold a big apartment building in Century City. And so I was invited to move to Beverly Hills, Rodeo Realty. And I've been selling real estate there and helping people realize their dreams and create wealth for their families ever since. And I just love it. So that's my 43 years of real estate. And I still love it. I think it's great. It's a pretty exciting business. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you were amused somewhat and not too bored. Thanks for watching Suzette Sells LA, and I'll see you next time.